In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to play the song Watermelon Sugar by Harry Styles, so stay tuned. Hey everyone, this is Matt from You Can Uke, and every week I'm releasing new song tutorials so you can learn how to play the ukulele. So don't forget to like this video, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss a lesson, and consider joining me on Patreon where I have a chord chart available for this tutorial. Alright, let's check out the song together. So to play Watermelon Sugar, we first make sure that our ukulele is in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A. And if you need help tuning your ukulele, then make sure that you check out my online ukulele tuner video. Next, there's 4 chords that we need to know in order to play this song, and those chords are A minor, E minor, G major, and D major. Let's check out those chords together now. So the first chord for this song is A minor. To play that, just take your second finger and press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is A minor. The next chord is E minor. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the 1st string of the 2nd fret, take your second finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret, then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 3rd string of the 4th fret. This is E minor. The next chord is G major. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, take your second finger, press down on the 1st string of the 2nd fret, then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret. This is G major. And the last chord for the song is D major. To play that, take your second finger, press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, take your 3rd finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, then take your 4th finger and press down on the 2nd string of the 2nd fret. This is D major. Now we're going to learn the string pattern for this entire song. It's just going to be down, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down. Let's play through that string pattern now on the A minor chord. 1, 2, down strum, go. Down, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down, down, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down, down, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down, down, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down. Now we're going to learn the chord progression for this entire song. It's just going to be A minor for 4 beats, E minor for 4 beats, G major for 4 beats, and D major for 4 beats. Let's play through that chord progression now by bringing out each chord. 1, 2, A minor, go. 1, 2, E minor, go. 1, 2, G major, go. 1, 2, D major, go. 1, 2, A minor again. 1, 2, E minor, go. 1, 2, G major, go. 1, 2, D major, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now let's apply the chord progression with that string pattern. 1, 2, A minor, 2, ready, go. Down, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down, 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 down, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down. Now that we know the chords, the chord progression, and the string pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through Watermelon Sugar. 1, 2, 3, 4. Strawberries on a summer evening. Baby, you're the end of June. I want your belly and that summer feeling getting washed away in you. Breathe me in, breathe me out. I don't know if I could ever go without watermelon sugar high, 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 watermelon sugar high. Now, if you want to play through the rest of that song, then check out my ukulele cover for Watermelon Sugar. And that's how you play Watermelon Sugar by Harry Styles. Thank you so much for checking out this tutorial. I hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Also, I want to give a special thanks to my friends at Flight Music for sponsoring this video, and to my friends at Soundbrenner for allowing me to showcase their awesome metronome watch. I'm going to leave links in the description box below so you can check out more of the products. Again, don't forget to subscribe, to join me on Patreon, and to check out these next tutorials so you can keep practicing and keep playing, because you can uke.